In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by launching Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Sounds and Vibration. Then tap on Vibrate at the top in the middle to mute device completely, leaving only vibrations. You can also select Sound on the left and use this switcher next to Vibrate while ringing to enable or disable incoming calls haptic feedback. When you finished, scroll down and click on Call Vibration. Then adjust intensity of incoming calls vibrations thanks to this slider. Select Silent to disable them or apply one of those vibration patterns. Then go back, tap on Notification Vibration and do exactly the same, but this time for your notifications. Now select System Vibration. Adjust intensity of them thanks to this slider. And decide if you wish to enable or disable vibration haptic feedback for all of those options by clicking on the switchers next to them. Then go back one last time and click on Vibration Intensity to adjust intensity of vibrations for incoming calls, notifications, system interactions, and media. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!